Craving a flavorful twist on classic fried rice? You're in for a treat with this spicy, savory ham and egg fried rice. That's packed with bold, Asian-inspired flavors. Heat up your wok or skillet and toss in your ham. Let it sizzle until it's golden and slightly crispy. Next, pour in those scrambled eggs and give everything a good mix. You want the eggs to be soft and slightly runny, so they can soak up all those delicious flavors. Now, add your cold, day-old rice. This step is key for the perfect texture. Then comes the magic, our secret sauce combo. A generous spoonful of gochujang for heat and a splash of hoisin for that deep, sweet umami flavor. Toss everything together, letting the rice absorb all that rich sauce. You'll see the rice turn this beautiful deep color, with every bite packed with layers of flavor. And there you have it, spicy ham and egg fried rice with gochujang and hoisin. Bold, savory, with a spicy kick that's sure to become your new favorite comfort food. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more delicious, easy-to-make meals.